Now we will see how we are going to evaluate a Python expression. So in this we are going to see the example as typed here. What will be the output of the following statement? Print 14 mod 3 exponent 2 into 4. So this will be solved as per the PEDMAS rule. So like BODMAS rule mathematics, here parenthesis and exponentiation, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is the order of evaluation of expressions in computer. And here in Python, in this example, so we have modulus operator and exponent operator and multiplication operator. So according to PEMDAS rule, first exponentiation will be done. So 3 exponent 2, as I have highlighted there, that will become 9. That is the first step in this expression evaluation. Then it will move to modulus 14 modulus 9, so the remainder will be 5, and then finally it will evaluate 5 into 4, which is 20. So the option 20, that is option C, is correct. So now we will see how we are going to justify this by typing and executing the same statement in Python program. So now I am typing that statement in Python program, and I am going to debug that by using debugging mode. So I am not running the program, I am using debugging mode to check step-by-step execution of this expression. So I am going step by step. So it is analyzing the expression, the operands and operators are analyzed, and it selects the expression 3 exponent 2 to be executed first as per the PEMDAS rule, and after the execution it changes the result as 9, and it analyzes this expression and it selects 14 mod 9, which is evaluated to 5, and finally it selects 5 into 4, which is evaluated to 20, and when I run that program, 20 is printed like this. Thank you.